A very good evening to all our viewers. With immense pleasure, we welcome you all to another spectacular episode of Not Just an Architect. Today's session is presented by Finista Better by Design, India's #1 windows and doors brand. Our star guest for today is an architect who not only designs buildings but is also a reputed film actor, commendable artist, ace photographer, writer, and an art director. Let us find out more about this mesmerizing personality from our hosts, architect Ketan Javdekar and interior designer Ketan Sheth. I hope this session is inspirational and motivational for all our viewers. Before we start the session, we would like to present a short AV, and thereafter, architect Ketan Javdekar will be taking it ahead. Thank you.
We are Finesta, India's #1 windows and doors brand. Our vision is to improve the lives and homes of customers through innovation and excellence, and be the brand leader in customized building solutions. Our mission is to establish a service organization that passionately provides customized building solutions and deliver exceptional customer service. Finesta windows and doors are crafted scientifically based on your environment, architecture, rainfall intensity, and wind speeds. We are the only company in India that manufactures its own UPVC blend and profiles. No other company in the country has the best of both worlds. We are India's largest windows and doors brand, with an experience of over 2.5 million installations. Our service spans across 327 plus Indian cities, as well as in international markets. To top it off, we are a part of DCM Shriram Group, started in 1889, with a turnover of $1.2 billion. DCM Shriram business portfolio comprises various other sectors such as agricultural rural business, chlor vinyl business, and value-added business. Our humble journey began in 2002. Through the years, we have only progressed to becoming India's leading windows and doors brand. So what are the benefits of installing Finesta in your home? Simple. You get noise insulation, dust-free interiors, negligible maintenance, special features to keep out rain and storm, non-toxic lead-free, energy efficiency, better AC functioning, low electricity bills, and lots more. Our Finesta product range consists of UPVC windows and doors, aluminium windows and doors, internal and designer doors. The aluminium product range consists of the Ultra Luxury series, which includes Slimline slider doors. Slimline sliding doors offers minimally visible aluminium sight lines, which maximizes the view you get. With a great balance of functionality and style, these aluminium doors add exquisiteness to the facades they are used in. Lift and slide doors. Huge doors with easy gliding motion on feather touch rollers. An extra layer of polyamide is added to ensure superior heat insulation. Not to forget the sheer beauty of this door. Slide and fold doors. These doors can open partially for easy access or wall to wall for an unobstructed view. The Super Luxury series include slider doors, a perfect harmony with modern architectural design and functionality. These slider doors are sleek and practical for everyday lives. Slider windows. These have the lightest sliding system, which is very easy to operate. It offers ventilation as well as an unobstructed view. Casement doors. These doors offer clear views of the other side, and its picturesque profile makes it a preferred choice for many. Casement windows. A very popular design for many homeowners. The simplistic design and customized styles can elevate the aesthetics of any space they are installed in. Tilt and turn windows. The epitome of versatility in design. Tilt the window to receive controlled ventilation and turn to open it in a conventional manner.
స్వాగతం. ఈరోజు మనకు జీవతన్నులు భిన్నమైన పాత్రలు పోషిస్తుంట బహుముఖ వ్యక్తిత్వం ఉంది. అతడు శూరుకైన యోద్ధ, భావోద్వేగ ఉద్వేగభరితమైన ప్రేమికుడు ఎట్సెట్రా ఎట్సెట్రా ఎట్సెట్రా.
Hold on. Ketan, what are you talking? What language is this? We are doing IDEC, not just an architect, right?
Yeah. That's right.
So आप क्या बोलते हो? I didn't understand any of this thing.
So that's what I was coming to. That's what I was saying. So I was just saying, welcome everyone. And today we have a versatile personality with us. He is dashing. He's a fighter. He's emotional. He's passionate lover. You know.
Hello. We are doing architecture thing, right?
Yeah.
First of all, you tell me what was that language?
That is Telugu.
And now you are talking about something lovers and all that. We are talking, of course, all the architects are definitely into love or something. And most of the architects I have seen, they are always in love with somebody who are their classmates, right?
Right.
So you are talking about the same architect?
No.
You are talking what?
So it's different. So let's do one thing. Let's get into the character, I think.
Yeah, please do that. Just remove the clouds.
Yeah. So silence, rolling sound, lights, camera, action. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome a charming, handsome and multi-talented personality, architect Kamal Kamaraju.
Welcome, Mr. Kamal.
Hello, sir.
Architect
Hello.
Kamal.
That was a fantastic introduction that I've ever received. In fact, today I'm feeling like, I'm on cloud nine because as an architect and, on an architectural platform, introduced as an actor. And what a stellar performance by you. In fact, the way you spoke Telugu, I think we should, get you. You look so handsome. So we should get you a nice role for our next Telugu film.
Great. So you already have a lot of compliments, Ketan. Every time you are getting it now, you got a compliment from the star.
Thank you, Kamal. Thank you for being on this platform.
Wow, what a wonderful introduction, Ketan. This was something different kind of introduction so far, whatever show we have done. This was the first time we are listening in a different language, and we have got a very dashing personality, architect Kamal Kamaraj. So whether we should call you an architect or we should call you an actor or writer, director, I there's so many different fabrics on your shoulder, and you are doing great things. Can you just give us gist of your journey from the beginning? How was your childhood? What was your education, and how you got into film? Maybe you can give us some understanding on your journey.
Mm, Firstly, thank you, sir. I think it's a very wonderful opportunity that you guys have given, and people should know about what architects do. Not just an architect is a very important theme and a very important thing in every architect's journey. Whether they are practicing architecture or anything, there is a very beautiful journey that they take. And then you asked me about what should I call you? What should that, a lot of people have that question. They ask me, what is your primary profession? Are you an architect? ये है वो है. मैं कभी-कभी सोचता हूँ उसके बारे में, and I many times I tell my office staff also, and people that I meet and students that actually I am a wonderful son to my mother.
Wow.
I am actually a nice husband to my wife. It starts from there. I really think that I many times tell that if you want to become a good architect and you want to lead a client and make them understand the real essence of what architecture is and building and unka life kaisa rehna chahiye, I think first you have to first be responsible in your home. How to create that enigma, that desire of making them imagine something more of you, and how you can make them feel that you are a responsible person who will make the right choice and the right decision. Unless you make your family members understand that, I don't think your clients will be able to do that. So I think I will be wanting to be called, even in my life, to be a very good son for their parents, nice husband to my wife, and then to my clients. So I think my profession or my degree actually is that. Then to come back to why I have done so much, why I'm doing why I'm doing so many different things. I think in my earlier days I had a lot of exposure to, as a kid, to different varieties of lifestyles. So I actually was born in Maharashtra, in Wardha. A lot of people don't know. I'm a Teluguite and pure Telugu that way. But my grandfathers, they actually were from Wardha, and what happened during the freedom movement, most of the Telugu people and many different regions, they have sold their lands, properties, and they went into a freedom movement, freedom fighting. And गांधी जी का जो बुलावा था, वार्धा के पास सेवाग्राम में, कुछ करेंगे या तो सेवाग्राम पे my grandfather has moved to that place, and my brothers and everyone's their childhood has been there. So later on, when we were, my mom got married, they were working in Hyderabad, a very normal, struggling. And I think most of our India was born by our parents, the people of the 70s and 80s. So they have really made the kids of today. So my mom and dad, they really struggled a lot. They when I was going to be born, they had this nice sentiment that maybe Sevagram mein I should be born mulke, and all my summer vacations was in Sevagram. So I used
that
to
is in Gandhi Ashram, right?
Gandhi Ashram.
Correct.
रोज सुबह we used to go during our बचपन में very childhood memories I have, how we used to go there, and they used to do Gita Path and Quran ka and all that club together they used to recite. Even today they do that. And when I come back to the city in Hyderabad, it's a very moderate city. Today Hyderabad is a very progressing and very high elite people. Everyone stays there. But back then, हमारा तो नवाबी निजाम kind of we used to have that the method of late utna, aram se rehna, that Irani cafeterias used to be there. So that kind of a lifestyle. But I somehow saw that the life in Hyderabad and how Hyderabad was progressing. We are seeing a change, and people like us, we come from a moderate middle class family, working class. Many of our parents are like that, and but our aspirations are big. We want to dream something big. I personally, I have taken a flight, and जो हवाई जहाज होता है वो मैं, I think I was 24 or 25 when I first took my flight.
Okay.
It might be, it may not be something, I don't know. Many of the kids today may not feel it as a story.
Yeah,
But
correct. The time has changed.
That was a big thing. My mom and dad could not afford that so easily. Started off very young, and I think during my school, my brother gifted me this Fountainhead book, and मेरे school में भी था वो library में, and I read that book, and that kind of inspired me that Howard Rock के बारे में, and how he has changed the way architecture can be. It's a fictional book, but it was pretty inspiring as a young kid.
Yes. Fountainhead.
I had a very strong impression about that person. And फिर बनते बनते I realized that I should not become an engineer or doctor, and I want to become an architect. So वो एक बहुत बड़ा ये हो गया. But life has taught me something else. I became not just an architect.
Yeah, I know, but you are into multiple things. One thing which you shared, but your school was Little Flower High School, right, in Hyderabad.
Yes.
And then you joined JNTU for your architecture. But how did you got into acting? Who inspired you? What was your because you are becoming an architect itself is a huge profession, and intense study happens. But all of a sudden you got into art. Was your inspiration from the childhood? You were a theater guy. How you got into acting?
So I remember, my mom was someone who was really someone who I should say that she has really took my finger and walked, because she used to always say that rank बड़ा बहुत अच्छा आने की जरूरत नहीं है, जो मन में पसंद है वो करना, whatever you like you do it. So that was one thing that my mom always told me, and she used to take me to those stationery shops and all that. And if I think of her, she was a normal clerk then in a state government office. Abhi paise kaise mila? How did she manage that money to buy me all that passion? I can today talk about all these things, but she made that happen. I mean, along with my dad, to get that possible for me, available for me.
So Kamal, this was something wonderful you said. So it is like whatever your mother convey to you, whatever is your passion, follow only your passion, right? Don't get into the run behind the marks. It shouldn't be a rat race kind of thing. And this is what we have seen.
She was always like that.
Idiots. Few years back, we have seen it in 3 Idiots, and your mom is so ahead of time. She told you in those days. Remarkable.
Very true, sir. Very true. I have a lot of respect for her, and I keep telling, and some of my seniors from college and some of my people who I have really respected, they always told me that, Kamal, make something very valuable of your life, because very few people get such valuable parents.
Wow. Very nice.
I remember it very clearly. I have Bhavani and all these seniors who have told me much earlier in my life that, very few people have that kind of parents. So don't lose it. Because again, to get such parents and for you to be born like that and to be trained like that, it will take. So sometimes I get too overwhelmed कि यार और क्या अजीब और बहुत कर रहा है मेरे को, तो भागते रहता हूँ. But I think that is important.
Really do it. Yes, Kamal, about your architecture, how did your journey move?
I think we might have to if I have to think about also that acting. I think I did not talk about that acting thing. आपने पूछा कि acting में ये भी आपने पूछा कि acting कहाँ से आया? I got. So if I think of it, I used to really perform on stage. I used to paint. I used to be a very interesting student in the school. पढ़ाई के अलावा, what I just told about my mother, not just that, I used to do a lot of things, and my school used to encourage. Little Flower is a school where they used to tell, even they used to tell my parents also that, don't worry if they're not doing like this. He's very wonderful in painting. He's not very wonderful in dance. So they used to allow me all that and give extra permission, extra, keep school se bahar jaake aap dance seekh ke aao. That's fine for them. So this kind of thinking was very, very much involved even with the school also. So once I finished that, कभी actually acting करने का कभी नहीं था. Actually, to be frank, actor बनने का तो दिमाग में नहीं था. Of course, शाहरुख खान को imitate करने का, नहीं तो अमिताभ को imitate करने का तो बहुत था. I used to do all that. But whether that translated into films, never. I did not think कि थोड़े लोगों को होता है वो imitate करते हैं फिर सोचते हैं कि मैं भी कभी एक्टर बनूंगा, वो कभी नहीं था. In fact, it happened reverse. पेंटिंग करता था और मेरे को कभी आर्किटेक्ट बनने का जब वो ख्वाहिश स्टार्ट हुआ, मैंने पेंटिंग एक्चुअली रोक दिया था. आई थॉट दैट जो आर्ट में बना रहा हूँ उसमें बिना सोच के मैं बना रहा हूँ. So if I think of Howard Rock and also think about the great architects that I started learning about later in college, I started understanding that my art is actually very, it is not being designed. मैं बस ऐसे ही कुछ कलर डाल रहा हूँ, ये डाल रहा हूँ, कुछ देखा तो पसंद आया तो वो डाल रहा हूँ. But then how do I drive it? What is that? So that I think architecture taught me. And from there, I think was the main stepping stone for me to think, how do I now drive my life? How do I design my life? So I think around 3rd or 4th year, my mummy को जाके बोला, I told my mom कि architecture is getting a little suffocating for me. I have to use the right words. थोड़ा suffocate हो रहा हूँ मैं because of the kind of inputs that I used to hear from the people around, from my mom and dad. So हमारे colony में जो लोग आके बोलते थे थोड़ा elevation बना दो and all that. I used to get very disturbed. कि finally मेरे को architect बन के क्या elevation बनाते बैठना चाहिए. फिर तो my mom initially she used to get excited. अरे देखो अभी initially में आ रहा है, second year third year में लोग पूछ रहे हैं. So I used to tell my mom that देखो they might ask, but they are asking out of innocence. But I have to decide whether I have to do that. She said, "Hey, what? गलती क्या है?" Because see, most of the parents that time didn't know about spelling of architecture also.
Yeah.
So they used to think
it
civil
was not
engineer.
so common for every family.
So engineer सोचते थे. आज भी बहुत लोग students में they come and ask me कि sir architecture engineering बोलते हैं sir, they get disturbed. I said it is our duty to raise the level of architecture to such a level that people say, अरे देखो वो architect जा रहा है. अरे नहीं आप तो building engineering करता है क्या? नहीं architect वो तो शानदार spaces बनाता है. तो this we should inculcate. So this designing of my life and how an architect should be, I think has come from that learning of architecture. And then I thought I have to explore life. So explore life के चक्कर में मैंने एक particular director है चंद्रशेखर एलिटी बोल के, तो वो एक फिल्म बनाए थे आइते बोल के. तो आइते नेशनल अवार्ड रिलीज विन हुआ था. And yeah, it's a very popular film. Pawan Malhotra sir has acted in it. That Ankokunda Kurozu and Aite mein bhi act kiye the. So I saw that film and walked out of the theater and I used to explore a lot about architecture. जो आप बोल रहे थे ना कि मैं कुछ वो ID card and all that, वो actually मैं दिल्ली गया था architecture के बारे में राज रेवल सर से मिला and KT रविंद्रन सर and सबसे मिला था अभिमन्यु दलाल सर. तो इन लोगों के मिलने के बाद मेरे को एक I used to wonder that कि ये architects बड़े मस्त चीज होते हैं. They create extraordinary things. They are the most creative people.
It's a great profession.
इनसे creative कोई नहीं है. He's the father of all, mother of all बोल के अपन college में पढ़ते थे. So when I saw आइते, I came out and said, अरे मैं इतना सोचता था लेकिन ये जो बंदा ये movie निकाला आइते, that guy is also a great architect. How did he decide that at that point of time that light should be like that? That dialogue should be so limited. and character को reveal ऐसा करना है. Then I was very intrigued with this evolution of storytelling and films. So I made up my mind to learn more about it. Again, exploring architecture is also about exploring life. So exploring a lot of things. Then that made me to go and meet him. When I met him, they found my personality to be interesting, or I don't know what. Mr. Hanurago Pudi is my very close friend, and so today is a very famous director in Telugu. So he
is the one who gave you the break initially in 2005.
We both used to write a lot of things, and I used to learn a lot of things from him. And I am famous बोल के वो एक डायरेक्ट भी किया था, उसके लिए थोड़ा डायलॉग्स मैंने भी थोड़ा उसके इसमें मैंने हेल्प किया था. And so we did a lot of things together, छोटे छोटे मोटे. But later on, a director called Mr. Rajamouli sir gave me a break. Rajamouli sir gave me a break in Chhatrapati, both in the art department and also as an actor, as Prabhas' friend. So he did a film called Chhatrapati. So
Prabhas is the same actor who has acted in Bahubali, right?
Yes, the same actor, and
wow.
He's a fantastic person. He's a very golden heart person. I'm very happy the heights that he's reached today, and he used to be a very, very genuine and very good person even to us while we were shooting back then. And even recently when I met him, he was introducing me to everyone, saying that, do you know that we both have, then the other director, he's my very close friend. He said, I know him from month before, sir.
So he's very grounded person.
Yes, very grounded.
Kamal, I have one important question connected to this education only. Does your acting has influence while you were writing your thesis? Your thesis is live entertainment architecture. So was that influence was always there in the back of your mind or in subconscious mind, that you really want to pursue for the architecture along with architecture, acting as well?
Yes, around third year somewhere, I was telling you I had a little issues with the way Vastu was getting into architecture, and architecture का जो सही छवि है वो नहीं दिख रहा है. So the real greatness of architecture, somewhere it was missing, and मैं उसमें दब रहा हूँ. And whether it is now the duty of me, whether I have to decide whether I have to be part of it, allow me to become that, or I choose my own path. So वो टाइम में मेरा थोड़ा lot of influence, discussion used to happen within me. And I remember actually my bike पे जाता था helmet डाल के, helmet इसलिए वो बंद रहता था, तो I used to take the longer route to my home, and all through the way I used to talk to myself. So क्योंकि जोर से बात करता था, and I have I would be seem like a mad guy, but I used to talk a lot within myself in the helmet. And now actually I tell that those things are very important for every architect and a person. अपन क्या करते हैं, अपन commotion, ये जो बाहर का जो sound है ज़्यादा सुनते हैं. So if we listen to our own sound, we will understand that what we need in our life. So what happened, in fact I should thank you that I have surfed through my older मेरा trunk and removed all my जो है. And I have that book, sir, with me till now.
Oh, great.
This is my live entertainment architecture. This is my thesis.
Yes,
I have done.
Your thesis.
And this book is not possible with one person, otherwise without one person called Mr. Yashwant Ramamurthy. He was one person
whom you consider your guru.
Yes.
He's your godfather, right?
He's my godfather. He's a very, very great architect, very great teacher to many students. And he's been a teacher to me also. So he made sure that I do this. कि मैं जब बोला कि thesis का topic architecture भी एक entertainment है लोगों के लिए, और architects लोगों को entertain करते हैं, और building के through अपन light and shadow, जब sun building के ऊपर गिरता है तो उसके shadow कैसा उसका transformation लेता है, and evening में एक तरह से दिखता है. आज जो photography देखते हैं अपन beautiful buildings का, Bombay का skyline हो या Hyderabad skyline, how that sun translates this architecture onto people is an entertainment by itself. And world over, आप Taj Mahal देख लीजिए, या you see today the Freedom Tower, or the जो बनाया हर जगह, जो टेम्पल्स भी बने, पीपल को कैसे अपना एक how do you make them realize one building, and how do you make the building to realize them? This has been done over a beautiful journey. So that I was trying to explore, and I said that I want to deal with something called architecture as an entertainment, and I called it live entertainment architecture. Petla Burj as theater. So Petla Burj is a small area in Golconda. वो जो पेट के तरह है, पेट ऐसा burj is a hill. So there it's a mount. So a lot of people who don't know, Golconda is a fort that is made by the Nizams and जो हमारा जो Nizam ये है. So the rulers, the Kakatiya dynasty, they've come and fort was built. So उसमें जो एक बहुत सारा चीज अपन भूल गए. But if you go to that Petla Burj, you will see Charminar in a distant, and you will see Qutub Minar, Qutub Shahi tombs, the tombs that the Qutub dynasty has done. Then you also see the city that is coming up. So I thought, why not that area is developed as an entertainment, as people understand that from that area they can visualize everything. So it is like calling. So a lot of people didn't understand this. The thesis topic kaisa ho sakta hai. So I said, sir, you call a theater at a certain place, right? Theater at at a particular Worli, you call theater at Worli. But if you call Worli as theater,
wow,
the whole imagination changes. So that was my point, and that perspective I wanted to bring. I think somewhere what you asked as a question is right, sir, because मेरा लाइफ में वो एक टाइम था जब मैं बहुत सोचता था कि क्या करना है, क्या है, और मेरे में एक छोटा एक डिस्टर्बेंस भी आया कि मैं सोचता था कि वास्तु की वजह से, इसके वजह से मेरा आर्किटेक्चर थोड़ा हिल रहा है. सो आई वांटेड टू एक्सप्लोर अदर आर्किटेक्चर क्या है. इस बीच में मैं फोर्थ ईयर में आई वेंट टू माय मॉम एंड सेड दैट आई वांट टू लीव आर्किटेक्चर. She said, you are so passionate about architecture, तो architecture छोड़ने की बात कर रहा है. Why? बोल के बोला. I said, see, I wanted to do certain architecture. I'm not able to do that. But to achieve the kind of architecture that I have to do, I have to know myself more. So for that, I need to take another path. So बोला कि क्या करना चाहते हो? When you have no idea क्या है. So I said, देखूंगा. I have. So then she and my dad were there to understand कि तुम तो बचपन में पेंटिंग करते थे, डांस करते थे. Remember the different characters that used to do. I used to do like a tribal guy. I used to do like those, like a guy who used to tell about foretelling things, and like a judge, like this. तो लड़की की तरफ इतने बार लड़की की तरफ मैंने रोल किया है. So then they said, from there can you think of something? And I said, maybe I should explore films. Maybe I should explore, because all the arts are coming together in one medium.
Yes.
And that is films. So art direction, costumes, storytelling, all that. Then somewhere Aite release हुआ, उससे मेरा ये हुआ. Then I started understanding that अरे architecture में भी entertainment है, drama चल रहा है. तो ये storytelling जो है, storytelling बहुत पहले से even architecture में था. Then I understood history of architecture in a different way. मेरा जो history of architecture, मैंने एक छोटा clip बनाया था, 3 minutes of history of architecture. In that I actually explained it like a storytelling, that how human beings have evolved trying to tell a story through buildings. And today somehow this beauty is lost. Lot of people are not telling story through buildings. इसलिए आज आप देखते हैं कि buildings बहुत, they've lost the essence. But if you see all our past beautiful historic buildings,
structure, yes,
they used to tell a story, and that's why you connect to it, and then you make it everlasting. Evergreen हो जाते buildings. And I think what Daniel Libeskind did in New York for the Memorial Center for New York, जो किया है, and what Black Engels does now, he tells stories through buildings. And that beauty I'm now realizing, because as an actor, as a director, as a writer, I've traveled now so much. Today in my buildings, I make sure that I tell some story about one material. And if you observe most of my buildings, if I explore a material, I tell even the people who are working for that material, I tell them that अरे तू काम ऐसा कर, क्योंकि I will make sure that if they stop near the building, they will ask about your workmanship.
Very true.
Because your character I have to highlight, because it comes from films. In film, not one character should highlight. No, every character should be highlighted. And when you see that character, you should remember. जैसे शोले देखते हैं आप, तो आपको अमिताभ भी याद रहेगा, गब्बर सिंह भी याद रहेगा, वो छोटा बच्चा भी याद रहेगा जो मरता है. And then you also remember even the gun in that, he वो toss जो coin करता है उसको भी remember. So how do you tell materials and make people remember that materials? And now I will take you through most of the great architects like Laurie Baker or Louis Icahn or आप Mies van der Rohe आप buildings देखेंगे, so you will understand that they have done the same thing.
Of course, yes.
And the greatness of them is that they did not become actors, but they still understood that.
So you mean to say every workers or every agency is important and they are playing their own role.
Yes.
And everything has got its own importance.
They are part of a storytelling, and they're all
Yes.
something very important for in that link in the storytelling. Link जब निकाल देते हैं, जब आप बीच में आइटम सॉन्ग डालते हैं, तब आप कॉफी या चाय पीने आप थिएटर से बाहर निकलेंगे.
Correct.
तो बिल्डिंग में भी सेम होता है. आप लिंक निकाल देंगे स्टोरी टेलिंग में, आप कुछ और मटेरियल डालेंगे which is not part of that environment. I'm telling, actually as I'm talking, actually when I am experiencing it and sharing this to all the wonderful viewers that you have, and thank you for giving this platform. So I am actually, that if you break that link, and even in each of our buildings when we are telling, we should not lose that link. And वो बोलते हैं कि वो item song है, building में भी item songs होते हैं, हम लोग वो जो pillar डालते हैं तो it loses. So we should not do that. And if you don't do that, then you get great films like आप जो Abraham Lincoln का जो film है, नहीं तो all the recent films that Hollywood में जो बने हैं, आप space के ऊपर भी film बनाते हैं, Gravity बोल के, उसमें जो sound आता है, sound, how do they involve sound to tell you a story, and silence and darkness also, you are in the film, you don't come out. But film तो actually visual दिखाने का है, तो आप visual नहीं दिखा के darkness में दिखा के आप story कैसे बता रहे? So then so movies directors have understood that it is everyone's job. Everyone comes together and tells one story called Gravity. So ये चीज
So it's a teamwork. It's basically teamwork.
Yes.
Okay, great.
So Kamal, I remember while we were talking earlier, your views about architecture is they are very different, and you would like architects to create some kind of what would you say, the example to people to create the things for them, for the society. Like you related that to Godavari movie. I think the tourism department has taken up so much of efforts from Godavari film, your Godavari film.
Yes.
So doing that, I think that's what you were mentioning.
Yes, so initially what happened, I worked with Chhatrapati, and I was amazed at the way Rajamouli sir used to deal with people on the set. Now architects also on set, we deal with many people, and there are great architects. We are all dealing with workmen, and we have really made great efforts in that. Same thing happens in films also, and also happens in every walk of life. Even a great IAS officer, उनको तो काम करना पड़ता है ना लोगों के साथ, वो कैसे मिलाता है वो textile, all this. So in that same way, when Chhatrapati happened, I was quite amazed. But then I got an opportunity to play a very important role in a film called Godavari. It won lot of awards. I think it won more than 5 Nandi awards. It's a state award. So I was part of that film. I'm lucky to be part of it. And Shekhar Kamula, who was then became a torchbearer for all my works later on. I met him. He is a very extraordinary soul, and I learned a lot from him. So what I understood was that I was very young. I was just architecture हो गया. अभी जब art department में काम कर रहा था, छत्रपति काम कर रहा हूँ. Then उसके बाद गोदावरी chance आया, actor बन गया. तो सेट पे बैठ रहा हूँ, काम कर रहा हूँ, but I'm seeing this guy called Shekhar Kamula who made this story weaved on a fictitious story of two couples who are on a boat journey from Rajahmundry to Bhadrachalam. It is a river, a path connecting two towns. Bhadrachalam is a very important temple town. Rajahmundry is a very important town, river at the banks of Godavari river. बट गोदावरी और भद्राचलम के बीच में जो लिंक है पानी का वो खत्म हो चुका है अभी बिकॉज ऑफ द डैम्स एंड ऑल दैट वाटर फ्लो ओनली ड्यूरिंग अ सर्टेन टाइम इट इज फ्लोइंग अदरवाइज रेस्ट ऑफ 9 months or 10 months इट इज नॉट फ्लोइंग एट ऑल सो देयर इज दिस क्या बोलते हैं वो सैंड ड्यून्स बन जाते हैं उसके वजह से बोट नहीं जा पाते वो रुक जाता है तो देयर इज नॉट अ डायरेक्ट लिंक सो देयर इज नो बेसिक वो मछुआरे रहते थे छोटे छोटे बोट्स रहते थे बस ऐसे ही बट हम लोग शूटिंग लोकेशन पे गए तो बड़ा शानदार एक बोट बना था टाइटैनिक की तरह उसके ऊपर गोदावरी पर लिखा था एंड ही डेवलप्ड दिस एंटायर स्टोरी अबाउट दिस guys on the boat trying to sell tickets so in the boat there are people who will tell fortune telling वो parrot रहता है ना वो parrot के साथ and idli dosa बनाने वाला एक छोटा restaurant and it was all imagination so he did it and I used to watch कि ये क्या है they met the water department people spoke to them but ये route तो नहीं है और cheating करना है तो राजमंड्री से बीच तक हम लोग जाते थे और पानी में उधर से वापस आते थे फिर उधर से वापस आना जाना वो टू एंड फ्रो just 1-2 kilometers के रास्ते में every day we shot for 90 days there were floods in the water and all that and we did all that now one great learning from that film is that film hit हुआ बहुत नाम आया सबको नाम आया लेकिन एक बड़ी चीज मेरे को यहाँ पे दिखा कि when the film released the tourism department took that boat into their control and there were after the film was hit there were many people who wanted to do the Rajahmundry and Bhadrachalam that trip and stop at a place called Papikondalu where it's beautiful scenery but वो Rajahmundry से Papikondalu जाने का वो जो रास्ता था it became popular because of this film called Godavari so that time I realized that again that Shekhar Kamula is doing what architects should do. Architects जो इंडिया के इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद कैसे अगेन लाइव एंटरटेनमेंट आर्किटेक्चर जो बात करते हैं ना कि ऐसे चीज बनाओ ऐसे मॉन्यूमेंट्स बनाओ एक वंडर्स बनाओ जो लोगों को लगे कि अरे मेरे को वहां पे जाना है ये देखना है टुडे ऑल्सो इट इज आई मीन not to hurt anyone's feelings but इतने सारे जो temples बने आज अपना जो travel होता है it happens because of temples but beyond that there is no architecture that we have created which will amaze us so I'll tell you a small example that I went to Falling Waters in Pennsylvania the work done by Frank Lloyd Wright you have to take the tickets 2 months before ऐसा छोटा घर है वो घर देखने के लिए अपन 2 महीने पहले टिकट कटवा रहे हैं we are going and standing in the line and only 40 people are allowed and beautiful amenities इसका जो टॉयलेट्स है लाइब्रेरीज है and my library में वहाँ पे I was there it was so heartening to see kids बच्चे लोग अपने kids के साथ लेके आ रहे हैं and they were looking at landscape books architecture and that how he used materials उसके ऊपर books देख रहे हैं and I'm seeing them asking their parents why is this like this अपना इंडिया में वो कल्चर बिल्ड करने का मोमेंट some architects have taken it but majority of the architects thought that is the work of an IAS officer that is the work of some Sanjay Leela Bhansali आएगा बोलेगा एक beautiful costumes and that red color but architects should take the forefront and they should lead the society is what I thought and Godavari taught me that lesson that we should learn from them people like Shekhar Kamula Rajamouli all these people are teaching that architects should also be a very interesting exciting people and they should otherwise we will become very common people.
So Kamal, here I have got one very important question. Normally we keep listening that an actor who gets completely involved into that character, right? You are doing parallelly both the activities together. You are an actor and you are an architect, right? So both the things you are doing together. So when you are acting, you are already in that character, and all of a sudden somebody gives you a call कि मेरे side पे ये problem है or something of the other kind. How do you come out from that mood? It is so difficult because both the professions requires 100%. So how your journey, and connected to that only, how this your architecture education is helping you in your acting and your acting profession into your architecture. You already gave some gist of it, but can you elaborate it little more?
Very important questions that I think what you asked, and a lot of people in a daily walk of life who want to become actors also ask me this, because उनको लगता है कि एक backup profession तो रहना चाहिए ना, you know, actor सोचता है,
Uncertainty.
और जो profession कर रहा है वो सोचता है कि मैं acting कैसा करूँ सर, ये job छोड़ दिया तो फिर मेरे को, तो people think that I only tell, I never thought so much about it, but when people ask me, I sometimes come back home and think how it was possible, what happened. But मैं एक बात बोलता हूँ कि मैं खाना खाता हूँ और सांस भी लेता हूँ. दोनों लाइफ के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड दोनों जरूरत है लाइफ चलाने के लिए.
Amazing.
मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ बोल के सांस थोड़ी लेने बंद कर रहा हूँ. मैं रोज सो रहा हूँ ना. लोग बोलते टाइम नहीं है, बट सो तो रहा हूँ. आई एम स्लीपिंग फॉर doing nothing for 8 hours or 6 hours. So I think that for me to exist, I'm telling my personal things, sir. It has nothing to do with anyone else outside. For me to
Your
exist,
own views.
for me to exist, I have to do acting, and also I have to do architecture. And I'm not saying acting alone, but I will tell you a small thing. ली स्ट्रासबर्ग का यूनिवर्सिटी है जो स्टैनिस्लॉस की सिस्टम ऑफ एक्टिंग है. स्टैनिस्लॉस सिस्टम ऑफ एक्टिंग में पहले स्टार्टिंग में आई रेड अबाउट इट. इट वेरी स्पेसिफिकली टेल्स दैट एक्टर बनने के लिए पहले आपको क्या पता है कि आप जब स्कल्पचर देखते हैं तो आपने क्या महसूस किया कि स्कल्पचर कैसा महसूस करता है, एंड वो स्कल्पचर करने के लिए क्या वो धूप में खड़े होके किया, क्या स्नो में खड़े होके किया, क्या वो चादर ओढ़ के कर रहा था, क्या वो खाना खाए बिना कर रहा था. जब आप लाइंस देखते हैं ना, तो वो आप वो सोचिए, वो आदमी के बारे में सोचिए जो वो कर रहा था. तब आप उसके अंदर आप पहचानेंगे कि वो लाइन क्यों ऐसा आया. तो आज जो भी मैं पेंटिंग करता हूँ, तो आर्किटेक्चर करता हूँ, जिसके अंदर बहुत सारे अपने कॉन्ट्रैक्टर के साथ झगड़ा होता है, क्लाइंट के साथ ये होता है. तो देयर आर मेनी वेज इन व्हिच द बिल्डिंग शेप्स बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दैट. So
our emotion get attached to it.
So as an actor also, you have to understand all these things. You cannot just become actor. मैं सुबह उठ गया, मैं एक्टिंग करूंगा, मैं एंटरटेन करूंगा, मैं कॉमेडी कर दूंगा. नहीं, that needs a lot of. So even Charlie Chaplin, if you understand, he's a very serious person. He said that comedy is a very serious business. You cannot get it so easily. So to become an actor also, you need to understand all these things. Similarly, to become an architect also, you have to travel and understand a lot of things. And I've been lucky that I have done all these things. And I'm still doing, and I want to continue. I want to continue. If someone tells me कि आपका प्राइमरी प्रोफेशन क्या है, अरे बचपन में जब मैं 6-7 साल का था, तब ऐसे बहुत सारे अंकल्स थे जो अपने लाइफ में जो कुछ नहीं कर पाए, वो लोग आके बोलते थे कि तेरा प्राइमरी प्रोफेशन क्या है. मेरा प्राइमरी प्रोफेशन कुछ नहीं है. मेरा प्राइमरी प्रोफेशन यही है कि मेरा लाइफ बहुत रंगीन तरीके से जीऊं.
Very exciting life.
That is my primary profession.
Yes.
These are Zariya, यानी कि the paths that I have taken to only achieve that. So there is no primary profession that people think, क्योंकि earlier क्या होता था, एक आप बस कंडक्टर बन रहे क्या, आप गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर बन रहे क्या, ये उन लोगों का सोच और उन लोगों का लाइफ का एक सारांश है. मेरा लाइफ का सारांश वो नहीं है. तो आई हैव डन all these things together and each one is supporting, and that comes to our second question that you asked. Sorry if I'm elaborating. I hope
no, that's fine. Please go ahead.
Listeners should not get bored, but I'm just saying that मेरा जो actor and architecture का जो मेल होता है, very important thing that you asked again, second question, that in my like I said, characters I want to bring out of in every building. Like that, in architecture, I want to actually tell a story seamlessly. Like how Falling Waters में फ्रैंक लॉयड राइट ने एक स्टोरी बोला था कि आदमी जब आएगा तो पानी पहले सुनेगा, वो पानी के सर्च में जाएगा और ढूंढते ढूंढते उस स्पेसेस से ढूंढते ढूंढते पानी के पास जाएगा जो फॉलिंग वाटर बना है. तो ही इज ऑल्सो टेलिंग अ स्टोरी. वो उसका एक स्क्रीन प्ले है कि पहले तेरे को गेट दिखेगा, गेट बड़ा दिखना है, छोटा दिखना है. जैसे भारत भवन में चार्ल्स कोरिया ने पानी को दिखाने के लिए बिल्डिंग को जमीन के अंदर इसने छिपा दिया. वो स्टोरी कैसे बोलना है हर आर्किटेक्ट को आना चाहिए. एंड आई थिंक आर्किटेक्ट्स आर ग्रेट स्टोरी टेलर्स बिकॉज उनका जो कॉन्सेप्ट ड्राइंग्स जो बनाते हैं, एंड स्टूडेंट्स, लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स एक्चुअली हैव दिस थिंग, वो बबल डायग्राम बनाते हैं ऐसे रंगीन रंगीन, एंड वो सोचते हैं कि वो कलर से बहुत सारे मार्क्स के लिए करते हैं, छोटा बड़ा कलर ज्यादा डाले तो. बट it's a very beautiful, actually we're getting a lesson in editing and storytelling. So that bubble diagram tells us how to tell the story, and in that you tell a great story. You tell a Bahubalian story and you come out to as a super hit blockbuster building. So that is what I think architect builds a story. Yes. He writes a story and he wants the audience to go through. Audience बोल रहा हूँ यहाँ पे क्योंकि it's a very important client, अपन user बोलते हैं, but audience बोल रहा है because audience को वो building पे कैसे लेके जाना है, that's what he decides. And correct. I think I have always used it. And similarly, the structure and the pattern and how we should understand a particular subject to the depth, and then go into the nuances of it. And कि अपने को 4 mm का स्पेसर डालना है कि 6 mm का स्पेसर डालना है. This kind of a detailing has helped me to go into my films also when I'm acting. कि पहले पढ़ो उसके बारे में, उसका अंदर से understand that nuances of the character and give that best. Don't and treat that one film as a separate thing. Don't think कि ये फिल्म से मेरे को दूसरा फिल्म आना है. नहीं, ये फिल्म पहले डील करो, उसके बाद दूसरा फिल्म डील करो. Give your 100% to that. आराम से करो. लंबा है रेस. जनरली फिल्म में क्या होता है, वो बड़ा स्टार बनना चाहते immediately. No, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Everyone, if you look at all the big stars, all the actors, even Amitabh today is acting, and it's very heartening that he's come out of the COVID this thing, and today he's doing KBC again. So yes. लंबा होता है. We have to keep on nurturing our talent and keep on doing. So that I think has come from again architecture, that it is permanence. Every structure is permanent and it takes a long time.
But
no, I have a very funny, sorry, yeah, Ketan. I have one very small funny question to ask Kamal. Kamal, you are a very successful actor. So how does it happen when you go on site, your contractors and your laborers are after you to take autograph and what? How your work you manage?
Sometimes I get away by shouting at them. वो लोग सोचते हैं चलो कमल एक्टर है, वो मेरे ऊपर चीखेगा. But these things happen. But yeah, I always tell them that after my site visit पूरा हो गया, उसके बाद लाइन से खड़े रहो, फोटो ले लो. लेकिन बीच में डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना मैं. And I will go through everything, because if I lose track, I will lose track of the small things that I find.
Absolutely.
So I don't get into that. I'll tell them last में मैं फोटो दूँ. So
I think the same problem you will be having while going to the market for selection of material and all that.
Yes, and sometimes it helps also because we get to sometimes they're more offering. They want to. they think
special attention you get.
yeah.
Over to Ketan. Ketan Javadekar had some questions. Yes.
Kamal, moving back to your storytelling, I think your storytelling concept has been constant, whether it's architecture, whether it's movie, learning from the movies, but also there is a storytelling in your paintings, series of paintings, and whatever art you produce. We'd like to know more about your Minu and Rani. I think there is a lot of influence of your childhood on both of the series, and there is a kind of a story which you want to tell from your series of paintings. Can you elaborate on that?
Yes, actually, very true. Like I said, I stopped painting once I joined architecture, and I started exploring design more, even in my painting and art. And I used to do art, but I used to explore about what is the subject that I want to tell. And I think that has happened very naturally. And we being architects, we understand that, in a very structured way. Then I thought, why not devise a character? So that's when I came up with this character called Minu, M-I-N-N-U. Minu means me and you, Minu.
Okay.
So me and you, our thoughts about women and their and how we see women in our society. So Minu is about a girl child and what her thoughts are. Ki मैंने एक पेंटिंग किया था जिसमें वो फ्रॉक, very simple, strong, bold messages. So how I designed the Minu series was very strong, bold images, iconic images, which will stay in your mind even after you go home. You'll think about it. So जैसे एक मिन्नू मैंने किया था कि रेड ऐसा एक रहता है, उसमें हाथ ऐसा, यानी कि मिन्नू घूम रही है अपना इसमें, उसमें the hand is always is positioned in I think 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. यानी कि लड़की नाच सकती है, खेल सकती है, लेकिन उसका एक टाइम होता है. उसके बाद उसको बोला जाता है कि नहीं तुम ऐसा मत करो. तो the small things, and one Minu is holding her her mother's womb and saying that don't drop me, मेरे को गिराओ मत, मैं लड़की हूँ लेकिन मुझे गिराओ मत, ऐसा. And that comes from a very strong again thought process that my mother में घर में जो लिबरल वे ऑफ थिंकिंग दिया है कि वुमेन के बारे में जो बात करना है. हमारा लिविंग रूम डिस्कशन ऑलवेज इज वेरी स्ट्रांग अबाउट व्हाट वुमेन शुड बी. तो ऐसा है, वो स्टोरी टेलिंग के लिए मुझे एक आइकॉन क्रिएट करना था, वो मिन्नू बोल के मैंने क्रिएट करके आई हैव टोल्ड मेनी stories with that. I have also painted when Hussain साहब जब मर गए थे, आर्टिस्ट, और वो मरे थे देश से बाहर निकाले गए थे उनको. तो मैंने बोला कि इंडिया में उनका ब्लड है, उनका जो ब्रश का जो सिर्फ मिन्नू के ब्रश से खून गिरते रहता है. एंड वो हुसैन साहब का वो जो है वो वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट था कि हमने कैसे ट्रीट किया एक आर्टिस्ट को. तो ऐसे मैंने बहुत सारे आई हैव डन सोशल कमेंट्री. But Minu become very subject which I was very close to my heart. And even today, when something happens, if something important I have to tell, I tell it through Minu. Then during this process, I was also painting a lot of artwork. Like आपने देखा होगा कि I've done painting on tigers. I've done painting on various aspects. एक wall art India बोल के India actors दीवार के ऊपर एक artist painting करके चले आता है. तो वो आर्टिस्ट का कुछ नाम नहीं रहता है, वो उसको खाली 150 या 200 रुपए दिए तो वो करके चला जाता है, उसका दारू का और घर में खाने का इंतजाम हो गया तो बस है. वो आर्ट इसलिए नहीं कर रहा है क्योंकि वो इंटरनेशनल पॉपुलर होगा या उसको, लेकिन उसमें भी कुछ आर्ट है. तो मैंने वॉल आर्ट इंडिया बोल के एक सीरीज बनाया था, उसमें मैंने इरफान खान साहब का, अमिताभ का, इनका मैंने पेंटिंग किया था. तो वो एक सीरीज है जो मेरे उसमें भी एक स्टोरी टेलिंग है, like you rightly pointed out. And then came as a painting, and the painting was getting sold. A lot of people were appreciating my art, but then suddenly I realized that एक lady she liked my painting a lot and she wanted to have that painting in the house, and her husband told her that नहीं इसमें थोड़ा feminine quality है painting में, and I went to their house to select, and as an architect also, which painting has to be done. And he said, she later told me that he was telling that it's feminine. And घर में देखा तो पूरे guns, horses, bulls, ऐसा था. So that day I came back home, I was sitting and I was thinking कि ऐसा कैसा ज़माना है. Again, see, Minnu also was a similar thing about women. So मुझे somehow felt that अरे why should the painting be feminine? And if it has to be feminine, किसी God के साथ relate करना है, यानी कृष्णा के साथ राधा. तो क्यों ऐसा क्यों होना है? So why can't paintings be feminine on their own, on their self? And then I remembered the great artists like Lakshma Gaud sir. Telangana is very strong and very famous for figurative art. तो मेरा भी इसमें ही आता है, मैं figurative art करता हूँ, मैं iconic images करता हूँ. तो then I started thinking and sitting and trying to talk about the pride of a woman and about how you're not able to put one art. तो मैंने actually बोला था अपने आप को कि मैं इतना सुंदर बनाऊंगा पेंटिंग कि मेल और फीमेल दे विल से एक तो हमारे घर में रहना चाहिए. So I have said that I will do something that I was very close to, and my mom used to, after her retirement, she has had a dairy farm, and unsuccessfully she was not able to गाय को ज़्यादा खिलाने के चक्कर में there were losses. But I fell in love with that aspect of cow and the calf and the mother and being proud about that motherhood. कि गाय बच्चा देता है, then the दूध आता है, the whole aspect is revolving around that. So then I thought, why not give a story about India and its colors. So if you see Indian women, अभी का जो Western way of iconography है वो नहीं बात कर रहा हूँ. That is beautiful in its own way. We know how wonderful the colors palettes that they select. But Indian, if you go to our Telangana, the real core of Telangana, you have these colors which are juxtaposed with extreme contrast. यानी कि red के साथ blue होता है और green के साथ violet होता है. So I'm like, क्या color combination है? But then there is beauty in it. We don't look at it. But I thought in my paintings I will bring it. I will bring the true colors of India and Telangana, and that's where the entire Rani series has come. I renamed it Rani because घर की रानी होती है. So it's a queen. I wanted to name, and it's an Indian Rani बोल के, Indian name that I've given. And I've come up with this concept of Rani, and it is pretty famous now. I have really a lot of people admire, and the घर का नया कुछ function होता है तो रानी का painting चाहिए. So that's become like a norm now.
But this is about the colors. When I've seen your doodles with just black and white lines, and that also has got a strong message or the storytelling without the colors. That's amazing. What is that about?
Yes. That again comes from जब acting करता हूँ तो बहुत time caravan में बिताना पड़ता है, and you are thinking and looking at the scenery, and you're talking about तो गोवा गया तो वहाँ पे एक छोटा, you imagine something and you think about and you want to carry back, think about that place. I used to just doodle those things and take it back.
Okay, so wonderful sharing, Kamal. Kamal, one thing I have observed, like you are into absolutely glamorous industry where everything is glamour is attached to the film, and the same glamour we always want to add in our architecture project and our interior project as well. But when I see your project Alia, your own farmhouse, why is it so simple? Why is it so basic? And what has inspired you to make it so simple and basic?
Again, it comes from the roots that I come from Gandhian philosophy. And I always thought of wanting to create a space like the Gandhi Ashram, where the space is very limited and everyone live together in it. It's one space. In one space, everything is there. So I have created Alaya where the kitchen is right there, एक बाजू corner में, फिर वहीं पे एक छोटा एक bathroom है. आप एक दो डाल के वहाँ पे चले आते हैं, and then you have a small bed. You can, and during the night you can pull it out and sleep. during the day you can just push it and you can and always, and again falling water का influence थोड़ा है. जब मैंने falling water गया था तो the way he has developed that space where a client के height के हिसाब से is made that space. So even in Alaya, the dead end of that hall is actually the height of exactly my height, 2 inch ऊपर रहता है बस. The idea is that don't spend so much time there, go out. So वो करने के लिए space में वो drama, you technically do it. This design is very technical thing. Lot of people think design आ जाता है, 2-3 फूल यहाँ पे डालेंगे, ये कर देंगे तो हो जाता है. नहीं, design is very, we all are part of the same fraternity. So the sequence of it, why symmetry, why focal points, why this thing, all that is. So focal point of that farm, kahan se khade ho ke, we want to come out and experience it. All this has happened and luckily my parents have allowed me to do that and explore it without having too much of shor sharaba and all that. So, and what I've done is in the land itself there was a stone. So we picked up the stone from the land and we made sure that all that is placed one by one. And if you understand again, I'm not directly saying that Gandhi influence है, लेकिन वो structure बनाने के लिए, दीवार बनाने के लिए scaffolding का use नहीं होना चाहिए.
Okay.
That was the idea. So how do you build?
Something amazing.
So you build only it up to 10 feet and then build it such thick so that on top of it you can walk and again place the roofing जो material है, roof का जो span है should not be more than certain things so that वो आदमी खड़े होके फिर उसको machinery लेके वो लगाना है. And then the wall actually tapers down. So आप नीचे जब आते हैं वो पीछे की तरफ जब से height कम होता है, so you can easily एक छोटा drum या stool डाल के भी आप वो दीवार बना सकते हैं.
You can maintain.
Though I have done huge structures, यानी कि राजूगर तोटा आप देखते हैं तो जो आगे का जो main wall है वो 50 feet above है. And ऐसे बड़ा structures अपन सोचते हैं. And I have done one hotel in even in Atlanta. And I've done huge, जो उसका जो scale है, proportion है, बहुत heavy है. एक जो pillar है हम लोग यहाँ से बना के फिर न्यूयॉर्क हमने उसको ship किया है और उसको वहाँ पे फिर उन लोगों ने एक Italian contractor था, उसने वहाँ पे he erected it. And but when it came to, I was always inside me. I also done farmhouses, with much bigger spaces. So inside me, I was trying to, battle that thing. Ki, why are we running away from these small spaces? So small spaces कैसे बनाना है? तो उसके ऊपर Alaya became a stepping stone, and I think it is now leading me to another avenues now. I am doing now something called a series called Vantage series. उसमें I'm exploring more smaller units and smaller things where people can explore isolation time during COVID or whatever. ये जो pandemic चल रहा है. So you have a small piece of land, you can explore small spaces. जो लोगों को रहता था कि फार्म हाउस बोले तो बड़ा वो विला जो सोचते हैं, तो that I have wanted to break, at least in my case, and if I do it maybe 10 people will get influenced. So that is the idea.
So that with that note, is there anything you wanted to explore and yet not explored? Because so many things you have explored in your journey. One thing which you felt like I should have explored this.
In my life, you always to think रहमान सर का मैं बहुत मानता हूँ. उनका जब एक song सुनता हूँ, because I know about music, how it's recorded in films also, and I always think that my music, I was never a music player. These are really, I mean, now I'm thinking that something that I really think that one life I have never explored music and I've never played music. My dad is a great singer. He really sings well, and he tried a lot when he was young. He wanted to become a singer, but because of the way situations were घर पे, financial and all that, so he had to get a job and get down to the basic things of life, provide for the family. But I think music is something that I would have loved to explore. One film I explored. So जब भी music का opportunity आता है तो I do it. For one film, I explored dance now. So there's a film called Natyam that is happening. So I learned for 9 months. I learned Kuchipudi. So these are opportunities that I grab, and I think as an actor, I get that opportunity to explore.
That's great.
Yeah.
I think Ketan, we should get him on to rapid fire now.
Yes, yes. So my first question, who is your favorite actor and actress both?
Actor and actress, my God, ये तो I mean from films, if you say a very pure answer, तो I really respect Irfan Khan sir and Fahad Fazil from latest, the Malayalam actor. I have a great respect for him. Nasiruddin Shah sir and Telugu में कोटा श्रीनिवास राव sir, इन सबका बहुत high regard है मेरे को. And many great actors. I mean, not to forget the Amitabhs and the Shah Rukhs and all these people, but the great acting का जो तजुर्बा जो लोगों ने लेके आया, I have great thing. Heroines में of course Vanisri है तो even now that we work with many actors that I'm part of my fraternity like Kirti Suresh and all these people, they do fantastic acting and they emote and they understand nuances of acting a lot. So yeah.
Tea or coffee?
Yeah.
Tea. I'm a tea person.
With milk, without milk, sugar?
With milk, proper with milk, lot of sugar, and I'm a sugar person. I take a lot of sugar.
So movie or architecture?
I can't answer that. Both are again my life.
Great.
Lifeline.
Movie, architecture or art?
I think
one more element.
All three are involved in art, and I would say I would say that anything that is good work, architecture or art or anything that's good work, I like it. If there is bad work in architecture, I don't like it. That day, मैं अगर मेरा क्लाइंट गंदा काम कुछ करने के लिए बोलता है तो मेरा उस दिन बहुत गंदा दिन होता है और मैं कुछ बुरा काम करता हूँ तो it's a bad day for me. Bad, like
Mom or wife?
Both have very important this thing in life. I know it's a very tricky question.
घर पे जाके मार पड़ेगा.
Luckily, both of them have not been like that. They correct me if I'm wrong. So I think I need them. I need them in my life.
They're your true critics.
True critic and I.
Okay, then wife or dogs?
Wife. I think dogs make you. Dogs are my inspiration for acting. Actually, इतना amazing expressions देते हैं. इतना amazing expressions देते हैं. I love enjoying their expression. Very true, honest expressions होते हैं उनके. So I enjoy that. Yeah.
And one thing people don't know about you.
One thing people don't know about me. I'm actually, in true sense, I'm a very jovial person. मैं जब in the true एक real अगर मुझे वो space में लेके जाते थे ना मैं बहुत jovial होता हूँ. That a lot of people don't know. They think I'm very serious, जो बातें करता हूँ. And seriousness का भी एक छोटा ये है कि मैं बचपन से believe करता था कि जब दुनिया में इतना जो pain होता है तो लोग इतना प्रॉब्लम में इतना रहते हैं तो हंसना कैसा हो सकता है it's very difficult. So हंसना is very difficult thing for me, but I'm also a very jovial person in my small space that I have.
Beard or clean shave?
Beard or clean shave, whatever my role demands. I have no qualms about it. I enjoy my both looks. साइड पे लोग दाढ़ी है तो थोड़ा ज्यादा सुनते हैं तो और दाढ़ी निकालता हूँ ना बहुत रोड पे बहुत पहचानते हैं गाड़ी दे स्टॉप द व्हीकल आल्सो समटाइम्स ट्रैफिक हो तो क्लीन शेव है ना तो इजीली रिकॉग्नाइज हो जाता है दाढ़ी वाड़ी है तो पता नहीं वो शायद वो एक्टर की तरह है शायद तो दे लेट इट गो But
मॉम बोलती है तो बाल भी काटने पड़ते हैं ना.
mom, yeah. During lockdown, yes, she was very upset that I was, becoming very haggard and itna kya hai, because she knows me, I'm enjoying my life here. But she thought, why you are, outside people might think that, I am not. So I said, "Arey, theek hai, shave karna hai, to shave karke then."
Which
I
is
made
your
her feel
favorite
happy.
destination for holiday?
Destination?
For holiday.
Holiday. My mind. मेरा दिमाग के अंदर जाके मुझे कोई डिस्टर्ब नहीं करे, बस उसमें रहो तो कहीं पे भी हो मेरा हॉलिडे हो. If I, that I have done, I've been to most of the countries, and जहाँ पे जाके मैं जब बैठता हूँ तो थोड़ा एक कैनवस लेता हूँ, and I enjoy my digital pads. मेरे पास नोट जो होता है सैमसंग, I scribble a lot on it. तो मुझे accessibility चाहिए, and I keep doing, and that's irritation for many people also, because मेरे साथ जो आते हैं, मेरे वाइफ है या मेरे पेरेंट्स है, बोलते हैं कि तू जहाँ पे भी जाए वहाँ पे भी तू you are in your own world.
You are in
So
your
I
own
think
world. Yes.
that way sometimes I feel I'm a little selfish. That's why I feel वो एक छोटा चीज लगते रहता है कि क्या मेरा ही वर्ल्ड में रहता हूँ, तो कभी लगता है कि दूसरों के लिए भी जीना चाहिए मेरे को, but I have not trained like that.
Great.
Oh, this was wonderful to know architect Kamal, who is not just an architect, as we already discussed. He is an actor, he is a writer, he is an artist. He does so many things together, and on top of that, he is a family man. He wants to be a good son, he wants to be a good husband, and I'm sure after this interview, he is going to be a good friend also for us. Right? So,
Yes.
Kamal, it was a great journey of yours. We thoroughly enjoyed, and I think so. A lot of inspiration these viewers will take from your journey. One very important thing which you touch upon is self-introspection, talking to yourself. This is so important. And another very important thing you spoke about is telling the story. So even I also keep saying that we need to have story when we talk about architecture project or interior project. So thank you very much once again, and we are thankful to Fenesta for sponsoring this show. Not just an architect, we are thankful to IDEC and the entire team of IDEC. I am really grateful to have Ketan Javadekar along with us, and Kamal, in your language, Dhanyavadalu. Thank you so much.
ధన్యవాదాలు
We
మీకు
will
కూడా.
catch up soon.
Thank you so much. And to all my Telugu viewers, I think అందరికీ ఇంత గొప్ప మనుషులు మన గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నారు, మన గురించి చెప్తున్నారు. ఇది మనకి అంటే మీ అందరితోటి నేను మళ్ళీ ఇలా పరిచయం అవడానికి నాకు కూడా చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. సో తెలుగు వ్యూవర్స్ అందరికీ ధన్యవాదములు వాళ్ళు చెప్పినట్టు.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Thank you so much.